Firstly, Excelsoft is a education technology company, creating platforms and products for well-known publishers around the world. Some of them are publishers in the higher education sector, some of them are publishers in the school education sector. The publishers were at that time looking at migrating from print to digital, and there were interesting digital products that were possible at that time to supplement whatever digital books, the print books that they were doing. In fact, now it is the other way. The digital happens first and the print follows later. During those days, via working with school education publishers in various parts of the world, it all started with the United Kingdom, mainland Europe, the US and the Middle East, and then of course, different countries across the world, the Far East, going right up to Australia and Japan. During this journey, we got to see a lot of different types of school systems, different curriculum, different way of operating the school, different teaching learning methodologies. And we kind of learnt all the best practices from each one of these implementations in different countries, and came back to India, and over a year we thought through this over and over again. Should we do a school here? Can we get inspired by the best practices we have seen in other countries like Sweden and England and other places? And I personally always thought it is not difficult to do a school. It is easy to do a school, and we said let us do it methodically, but we made a decision that we will do a school. So, in summary, there were two things. One, our exposure to school systems in various countries across the world. Two, our own technology tools that would support school education. These were the two things we had ready with us, and hence we were more inclined to make a yes decision when it came to whether we will do a school or not.